Someone wants to go out. What, Lily? You have to wait. We're going to go in a little bit. Come on, come in. Come inside. Yes. Lily. Come on. Lily. Don't say no. Come on. I'm going to close this door now. Come on. Lily. Come on now. Move it. Lily. You can't go out there yet. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on, Lily. No! Look, you got the sun right in your eyes. Come on.